Hi everyone! Do you know how crucial market research is for business success? It helps you target the right audience and make informed decisions for growth. This is Module 3, and today's lesson is all about mastering market research. Understanding your market is crucial. Let's dive in. First up, industry analysis. Get a panoramic view of the restaurant landscape. Look at the overall size, growth rate, and key trends in the restaurant industry. Who are the major players in the restaurant scene? What are the barriers to entry for new restaurants? Position your restaurant for success. Now, identifying target markets. Find your tribe. Know your ideal customers. What are their demographics? What do they need in a dining experience? How can your restaurant fulfill those needs? Create detailed customer personas. Next, analyzing competitors. Study your restaurant competitors closely. What are they doing right? Where are they falling short? How can you offer something better or different in your restaurant? Tools like SWOT analysis can be incredibly helpful. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping an eye on emerging trends in the restaurant industry. What's changing in the dining landscape? Are there new technologies or consumer behaviors you can leverage in your restaurant? The more proactive you are, the better positioned you'll be to seize new opportunities. Alright, time for your assignment. Pick your restaurant industry segment and conduct a thorough analysis. Identify your target market and create detailed customer personas. Analyze restaurant competitors using SWOT analysis. Identify emerging trends that could impact your restaurant. This exercise will give you a comprehensive understanding of the restaurant market landscape. Remember, market research is an ongoing process. Keep learning, keep adapting, and keep evolving. Let's begin.